Adapting to change. I have my bridge done, the geometry is done, but then using OpenBridge Designer, the roadway engineer decides to change, to adjust the profile of the roadway for different reasons. Maybe a clearance problem, maybe a drainage issue. He needs to adjust the profile. So using Bentley's OpenRoads Designer, he gets into his own information, his alignment, his profile, and starts recreating or adjusting a new profile, not only for the bridge, but the entire project. This is a drastic change in your geometry. Not only the roadway and the associated corridors will be modified, but your entire bridge project will change. All your reports need to be changed. Even your design needs to be redesigned or checked. So, first, we need to change the roadway profile, and he's doing that. And using the tools available in OpenRoads Designer is maybe raising the profile to fix a clearance problem. And this change is going to show up on OpenBridge Designer. Because as the bridge is done, the bridge designer will go and verify that has been changes in the geometry. And well, he will accept it. Okay? So reloading all that new information, so then and accepting that change, the bridge will just accommodate to the new geometry. Then, yes, the changes need to be made in the sense that maybe I need to run the reports, maybe I need to verify the design, maybe modifying the column layout of the piers. But the change happens immediately. Then I can continue and saving that and move forward with the analytical calculation. That is a real adapt to change.